Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Lino Cut starter kit on the market. The Speedball 3471 Super Value Block Printing Starter Kit. Whether you're a complete beginner or a student eager to explore the art of block printing, this kit offers everything you need to get started with confidence and creativity. From the moment you open the box, you'll find a carefully curated set designed to make the block printing process smooth and enjoyable. The kit includes Speedball's black water-soluble block printing ink, which offers rich, bold color with a satin finish that's easy to work with and clean up. This ink is perfect for experimenting on paper or fabric, allowing you to create beautiful prints, cards, and various paper crafts. One of the standout features of this kit is the Speedy Carve Block. Unlike traditional linoleum blocks, the Speedy Carve Block is made from a soft, easy-to-carve material. This means beginners can carve their designs with less effort, making it an excellent choice for those new to block printing or students learning the craft. The softer surface allows for precision and control, which is crucial when you're starting out. The kit also comes with a soft rubber pop enbrayer that evenly distributes the ink onto your carved block, ensuring consistent and clean prints every time. This tool fits comfortably in your hand and rolls smoothly, making the inking process effortless. To help you carve your designs, the kit provides a lino handle and 3 different speedball cutters, number 1, number 2, and number 5. These tools cover a variety of cutting styles and depths, so you can experiment with detail work or broader cuts depending on your project. The cutters are designed for durability and comfort, which helps maintain control while you work on your block. Additionally, the kit comes with a 4x6-inch Speedy Carve Block, which is a perfect size for small projects and experimenting with different designs. It's not too big, making it manageable for beginners, but still large enough to create detailed prints. To support beginners, the kit includes a basic instruction booklet. This guide covers the essentials of block printing and carving, offering step-by-step images to help you get started quickly. It's a handy reference that ensures you understand the process from carving to printing. One of the best things about this Speedball kit is its value. Instead of buying each item separately, this bundle offers everything at a competitive price, making it a smart choice for those wanting to dive into block printing without a hefty initial investment. The kit's compact size and light weight make it easy to store or take with you to classes, workshops, or just around the house. Plus, it's versatile enough for a wide range of creative projects, from greeting cards to unique art prints. In summary, the Speedball 3471 Super Value Block Printing Starter Kit is thoughtfully designed with beginners and students in mind. It balances quality and ease of use, giving you all the essential tools to carve, ink, and print your own block prints. If you're looking for the best Lino Cut starter kit that combines convenience, value, and professional quality tools, this is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe for more honest and detailed product insights. Happy printing!